Not everyone realizes how many options are there for full mouth tooth replacement. Dentures have become a thing of the past. More comfortable and better looking solutions are becoming more and more common. At ORA Dental Implants Studio, we fully educate our patients on their options and provide the pros and cons to best fit their needs. So for full mouth dental implants, patients have two options. They can go fixed full mouth implant option or a removable. With fixed, we are looking at placing at least 4 to 6 implants per jaw to make them fixed so that teeth can actually go on top of those implants. And with the removable option, they can place anywhere from 2 to 4 implants where teeth can go. But again, these are removable options where they have to take the dentures or the teeth at night out. So at ORA Dental Implant Studio, we prefer fixed teeth, so patients have never able to worry about removing them and they just stay always in the mouth. So when we combine aesthetics and function, there is no doubt zirconia is the most aesthetic looking option. And with ORA Zir, we have the function because we use titanium bars or a material called Technomed that goes underneath the zirconia and it makes it really strong. So if you have to ask me if what I would say to my patients, I would say ORA Zir, which has aesthetics from zirconia and function from a titanium bar or a Technomed underneath, makes it the most strongest and better looking restoration for full mouth dental implants. Please call us for free implant consultation and we look forward to seeing you.